Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change or customize the age restrictions and content settings on YouTube Kids. So here, I've already opened the YouTube Kids app, and as you guys can see, I have three profiles on my YouTube Kids. And to go to the age restriction, you can click on this lock icon at the bottom right corner to go to the parent setting. So you need to solve this. As always, click on submit and now go to the settings. And in here you just need to choose the kids profile that you want to customize or change its age restriction and content settings. So for example, I'm going to change it for this profiles right here. You need to enter your uh, Google password. I'm going to skip this part. Okay, you can click on enter after you enter your password, and in here you can see this is the content settings and also the age restriction. If you want to change it, you can just click on this edit settings in here, and this is the age restriction. So you can just choose the age based on your child, your kids or your children's age. For example, I'm going to change it into younger. In here you need to select, and here the content settings and the age maturity or restriction has been changed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.